Are you tired of having an air conditioner that doesn't perform well? Are you tired of the company you're using not performing well either? There are a lot of air conditioning companies down here in South Florida, but there are only a few good ones. So, when you need service, just dial it. 561-SERVICE. Here at All Time Air Conditioning, we come highly recommended by many. We offer 24-hour service and really come through when you need us the most. We offer maintenance contracts for your air conditioning and appliances. We offer 21-step tune and cleanings, repairs, and full replacement along with purification systems. We have a full duct cleaning service and can clean the machine if you're trying to hold on a little longer to what you currently have. So, when you need service, just dial it. 561-SERVICE. Why mess around with the rest when you can have the best? Come join our family and see old-fashioned service done for you when you need service the most. 561-SERVICE. AllTimeAC.com.